So our first step is I'm going to show you an adjustment that we will need to make in order to get the shape we want for our cascading garden bridal bouquet. So we're going to actually attach the circular foam to our actual bridal bouquet handle. I'm going to go ahead and cut out a circle in the middle so I can simply, with a little bit of hot glue, attach the wand to the green foam circular foam. We can add flowers to the outside rim as well as the front area of our foam. This is going to give us the fullness that we need as well as the area we need in order to create that beautiful cascading effect. Most of the flowers for this project will come fully encased in a plastic stem. Well, you're not going to be able to insert that plastic stem into the foam. So I'm going to show you how to cut away the plastic stem. So you're going to take off about an inch, no more than an inch, inch and a half of the plastic stem using your wire cutters. Sometimes the wire is actually covered in a paper wrapping underneath the plastic, so you'll have to peel that off too. Once you've removed that, you're ready to attach it to your foam base with just a little bit of hot glue. So your flowers will typically come with a stem that's anywhere from 6 to 12 inches long. So I'm going to show you what you need to do if you want your stem longer. You're just going to use some regular 18 gauge floral wire, and with a little bit of hot glue, you're going to attach the floral wire to the base of your stem. Once you do that, you're simply going to twist the wire around the stem, and it just can be as long or as short as you would like it. Now that our flowers are attached, we're going to simply put a little hot glue gun on our wand just to make sure it's nice and snug and won't come apart. Attach our cover, and our bouquet is ready to go. Well, Julia, I hope you can see just how very simple it is to help that soon-to-be future daughter-in-law have the bouquet of her dreams. We had a blast creating it for you, and we want to thank you for allowing us to be a part of your family's special day. If you like this video, go ahead and like us, follow us on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter, and by all means subscribe so that you can be the first to know when our videos are posted every Wednesday. Head on down to the description below. Just click on that little upside down triangle or arrow, whatever way you see it, and go ahead and subscribe to our newsletter and get the wonderful, amazing blogs that we are creating just for you and your special day on our website, MissPlanIt.com. Check us out. I love writing about what we're doing on our channel and giving you extra special tips to special coupon offers, special deal offers, as well as the written instructions to all of our projects. We work very hard to help you create the plan that will work for you. In addition to that, on our website, you can also click on the Project Request tab and follow the very easy steps to submit your project request so that we can help you with a plan. Our team works very hard in order to give you all the tools necessary to do it yourself. Also in our description below, you'll find our link to Ebates because we are all about saving money while you spend money. Well, guys, we are just so grateful that you chose us to spend this time with. We know on YouTube you have so many options, and so we are grateful that you decided to spend this time with us. Well, as always, we'd love to help you, so please come on back next week, same time, same place, and always remember, when every penny counts, count on MissPlanIt. Take care. See you soon. God bless.